This is a high wind watch for the following locations in Colorado: eastern Elbert and northern Lincoln counties and southern Lincoln County. High wind watch in effect from Tuesday morning through Tuesday afternoon. What? Southwest to west winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour possible. Where? Washington County, Lincoln County, and eastern portions of Elbert County. When? From Tuesday morning through Tuesday afternoon. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Strong winds will likely lead to rapid fire growth of any new fire. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates.